Imagine you're sitting in your living room scrolling through your phone when you see the shocking news. Gold prices have skyrocketed, and silver is following accordingly. People are panicking, markets are trembling, and financial experts are calling it the biggest economic warning since 2008. Amidst this chaos, you wonder, should you panic? Or is this the moment Warren Buffett has been hinting at all along? Welcome to Business Upside. If you like our videos, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Today, in this video, I will discuss the mystery behind gold and silver price predictions for September 2025, with strategic insights inspired by none other than Buffett himself. Stay tuned, because what you learn here could change how you invest the game forever. The Golden Rule, the anti-Buffett asset. For decades, Warren Buffett has been famously skeptical of gold as an investment, calling it an unproductive asset. His reasoning is simple. He loves assets that create new value and worth. A business makes products, a farm grows crops, and a rental property collects rent. But gold just sits in a vault. It doesn't generate cash flow, innovate, or create wealth. This core philosophy that an asset must be productive has been the foundation of his success. However, in September 2025, a perfect storm of economic forces has gathered, and even the most ardent skeptics have to take notice. The economic storm. Why September 2025 is different. This new reality makes gold less of a speculative asset and more of a strategic one. So where do the prices of gold and silver go from here? Central banks are hoarding gold. Gold is no longer just a shiny metal, it's a weapon in global economics. With inflation fears running high and geopolitical tensions rising, central banks across Europe, Asia, and the Middle East have been stockpiling gold at record rates. According to the World Gold Council's latest data, the highest quarterly purchases in decades have occurred. This aggressive buying signals a strong bullish trend and highlights gold's scarcity and universal value. Inflation as the hidden monster. The pandemic, massive government spending, and supply chain disruptions have left inflation rates at multi-year highs. Analysts fear that by late 2025, consumer price inflation could breach the 8 to 10% mark globally. Buffett has often warned that unchecked inflation erodes the purchasing power of cash. As people lose faith in fiat currencies, they flock to tangible assets like gold and silver, which have historically preserved value. Silver's industrial demand explosion. It's essential for solar panels, electric vehicles, and cutting-edge electronics. Experts predict that by the end of 2025, silver's industrial demand could outpace its supply by nearly 15%. This supply-demand gap, combined with investor sentiment, is expected to send silver prices soaring. The price prediction of gold and silver. With all that in mind, where do gold and silver prices go in September 2025? Let's approach this with a rational, non-speculative mindset. Gold. Its price action is no longer just about inflation. It's a reflection of global fear and uncertainty. The momentum from recent months suggests a strong flow, but a rapid acceleration is unlikely without a major crisis. According to Warren Buffett, you could see gold consolidate in a range with strong support levels holding firm before a potential breakout in the months to come. He is not predicting a spike, but a slow, steady climb driven by a loss of trust in fiat currencies. Gold prices have experienced a significant surge, reaching a record high of $3,673.95 per ounce. Currently, spot gold is trading at approximately $3,633.86 per ounce, reflecting a slight dip due to profit-taking and a modest strengthening of the US dollar. Buffett suggests that while short-term fluctuations are possible, the long-term outlook for gold remains positive, with some forecasts predicting prices could reach $4,000 per ounce by mid-2026. Silver. Silver is both a precious metal and an industrial one. Its price is influenced not just by fear, but also by demand for solar panels, electric vehicles, and other green technologies. This dual nature makes it more volatile. Silver's price is yet to fluctuate more dramatically, but with a similar upward trend driven by both its safe haven status and industrial demand. Silver has been outperforming gold, reaching a lifetime high on the Multi-Commodity Exchange (MCX). Currently, silver is trading at approximately $42.29 per ounce, reflecting a 45% year-to-date gain. Some analysts predict that silver could reach $44.22 per ounce in the near term, supported by strong bullish momentum. Have the insurance mindset as an investment strategy. You don't buy fire insurance on your house because you want your house to burn down. You buy it because you understand that bad things can happen and you want to be prepared. This is the exact reason to buy gold and silver. A small, rational allocation, say 5% to 15% of your total portfolio, is not a bet on its price skyrocketing. It's a hedge against the rest of your portfolio collapsing in an extreme economic scenario. It's your insurance policy. The core of your wealth should still be in productive assets, stocks of great companies, or real estate. These assets will generate cash flow and compound over time. But a small, non-productive allocation to gold and silver acts as a secure reserve in a world of increasing instability. You're not buying gold and silver to get rich. You're buying them to prevent yourself from becoming poor. The final words. Before investing in anything, ask yourself one simple question. What will this do for me in 20 years? Will a shiny piece of metal have produced anything new? Or will your investment in a great business have innovated new products and grow your wealth through dividends and stock appreciation? True wealth is not about owning inert objects. It's about owning a piece of the world's progress. Use gold and silver as a small strategic part of your portfolio, a hedge against a future we hope never comes. But pour the majority of your energy and your capital into the things that truly matter, the great businesses that will shape the future, and most importantly, your own skills and education. Invest in yourself. That is the one asset that will always produce value. What do you think about investing in gold or silver? Leave your comments below. Subscribe to Business Upside for similar interesting and useful videos.